Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So, if your iPhone camera is sounding muffled during calls or recording, it might be clogged with dust or debris. So today in this video, I'll show you how you can safely clean your iPhone microphone and restore clear audio. Before cleaning, make sure your iPhone is completely turned off and unplugged from any accessories. This ensures your safety and prevents accidental damage. So after that, iPhone typically have three microphones. Front microphone near the front camera, bottom microphone near the charging port, and then rear microphone near the back camera. Identifying these locations will help you clean them more effectively. So after that, use a dry, soft, bristled brush or clean toothbrush to remove debris from the microphone holes. Brush in the direction of the hole to avoid pushing dirt further inside. Make sure the brush is dry to prevent moisture damage. Also avoid using compressed air or metal objects like pins. Compressed air can push debris deeper and metal tools can damage delicate internal components. So, after cleaning, test your microphone by recording a voice memo or video. Your audio should now be clear and free from muffling. That's it. Regularly cleaning your iPhone's microphone can help maintain optimal performance. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.